Ribeye. Ribeye comes from the rib section of the cow and is one of the most prized steaks in the world. It is famous for its rich marbling, which refers to the thin streaks of fat running through the meat. As the steak cooks, this fat melts and creates a juicy, flavorful bite. Ribeye has been a favorite in American steakhouses for generations and is often considered the best choice for those who enjoy tender, well-marbled beef. Filet mignon is cut from the tenderloin, a muscle that does very little work during the animal's life. Because of this, it is known as the most tender steak available. The name comes from French, meaning dainty fillet, reflecting its refined reputation. Although it has a milder beef flavor than fattier cuts, its buttery texture has made it a symbol of fine dining around the world. New York strip. The New York strip comes from the short loin and offers an excellent balance between tenderness and bold beef flavor. It became closely associated with New York City's famous steakhouses during the 19th century, helping it earn its name. With moderate marbling and a firm texture, it is a popular choice for grilling and is often recommended for those who enjoy a classic steak experience. T-bone steak. The T-bone steak is easily recognized by the T-shaped bone running through its center. On one side is the tenderloin, while the other side contains the New York strip. This unique combination gives diners the chance to enjoy two premium cuts in a single steak. Its impressive appearance has made it a favorite at steakhouses and backyard barbecues alike. Porterhouse Steak. The porterhouse looks similar to the T-bone but contains a much larger portion of tenderloin. It is often called the king of steaks because of its generous size and combination of two prized cuts. The name dates back to 19th century American porterhouses, where travelers gathered for hearty meals and drinks. Today, it is commonly served as a steak meant for sharing. Sirloin Steak. Sirloin comes from the rear back portion of the cow and offers a balance of flavor, tenderness, and value. It is leaner than ribeye, but still delivers a satisfying beef taste. For many families, sirloin has become an everyday steak because it cooks well on the grill while remaining more affordable than premium cuts. Top sirloin. Top sirloin is the more tender and flavorful section of the sirloin. It contains less fat than ribeye but more tenderness than regular sirloin, making it one of the most versatile steaks available. It performs well whether grilled, pan-seared, or sliced for salads and sandwiches, making it popular in both restaurants and home kitchens. Bottom sirloin. Bottom sirloin comes from the lower portion of the sirloin and is generally less tender than top sirloin. However, it has a rich beef flavor that makes it ideal for roasting, grilling, after marinating, or slicing into strips. Because it costs less than premium steaks, it remains a practical choice for many recipes. Flank steak. Flank steak comes from the abdominal muscles of the cow, giving it long, visible muscle fibers and a lean texture. Although it is not naturally tender, proper cooking and slicing against the grain make it enjoyable and flavorful. It is especially popular in Latin American cuisine, Asian stir-fries, and dishes like fajitas. Skirt steak. Skirt steak is cut from the plate section of the cow and is known for its intense beef flavor. It has a loose grain that absorbs marinades exceptionally well, making it a favorite for grilled dishes. In Mexican cuisine, skirt steak is traditionally used for fajitas, where its rich taste stands out even when paired with bold seasonings. Hanger steak. Hanger steak hangs between the rib and loin near the diaphragm, giving it its unusual name. Because there is only one hanger steak per animal, it was once considered a butcher's secret, often kept rather than sold. It has a deep, beefy flavor and a tender texture when cooked correctly, making it increasingly popular in modern restaurants. Flatiron steak. Flatiron steak comes from the shoulder, an area once thought too tough for premium steaks. Advances in butchering techniques allowed butchers to remove the tough connective tissue, revealing an exceptionally tender cut underneath. Today, flatiron steak is valued for offering tenderness close to filet mignon at a more affordable price. Tomahawk steak. The tomahawk steak is essentially a ribeye with an extra-long rib bone left attached. Its appearance resembles a traditional tomahawk axe, making it one of the most visually impressive steaks. Although the long bone does not significantly change the flavor, it has become a favorite centerpiece in restaurants and special occasions because of its dramatic presentation. Denver steak. Denver steak is a relatively modern cut that became popular after researchers identified overlooked muscles with excellent tenderness. It comes from the chuck area, which is usually associated with tougher meat, yet this particular cut has fine marbling and a rich flavor. It has quickly gained popularity among chefs looking for high-quality steaks at reasonable prices. Chuck-eye steak. Chuck-eye steak is cut from the shoulder close to where the ribeye begins. Because of its location, it shares many characteristics with ribeye, including good marbling and a rich beef flavor, but usually costs much less. For this reason, many steak lovers refer to it as the poor man's ribeye, offering excellent value without sacrificing too much quality.